All right. So I posted this on Instagram. I got this from MORryde. It's the heavy duty JK Wrangler tailgate hinge and then the off-road jack carry that clips onto it. I'm gonna replace the stock ones with this. I don't want to run this huge metal bumper with the steel tire carrier. I don't take it off-road like all the time, so I don't want to add all that weight to it, especially if you can do it for cheaper, because you get it's windy today, especially if you can get well, the bumpers cost like what, $800, and that's just too expensive. So let's get into this real quick. All right, so in the box here, wrap obviously, hardware, right side here, tape. I think that's for underneath it, actually, like underneath the hinge, because I think there's exposed paint or exposed bodywork underneath there. And then the hinges themselves. Put that down. Put that down. Get that out of here. And then the instructions. Not a whole lot. Tools list is on there. Stock hinge removal, 13mm socket, and T50 Torx bit for HD installation. 13mm socket, deep well socket extension needed for HD hinge installation, and 5mm Allen wrench. Not very difficult, but it replaces the stock ones that are not very good. So first we got to take off that spare tire. I've got one of the locking nuts with the special socket, just like the tires. I got that in the Jeep. I'll take these off and be good to ride. One bad thing about 35 is they're heavy. These little tabs behind the hinge pop right off. Don't need those anymore. I got those two. All right. Just need that Torx. I had to run to Home Depot. Didn't have a Torx bit, or the T50 that is. Got every other one under the sun in my dad's garage, but except for that one. So got it. All right, we're back. Got the bits. Let's do this. All right, hinges off, tape is on, NTC's on the bolts. We're gonna get that top one done, and I'll see you after this. All right, first one's done. Look at the comparison. That's the stock one, and that's the new HD one. Huge difference. I'm excited. This is not that hard. This is definitely recommended if you don't want that giant bumper. All right, they're both installed. Door works. Definitely feels more sturdy. Once I get some weight on it, then we'll know. I got one more thing. All right, it's done. Let's check this out, huh? Ready for the unveil. Oh yeah, check that out. If you guys have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section. Make sure to like the video. This is the next step for the Denver JK. It's starting to look real good. Real good. Getting that lift soon.